Hi folks, it's Ben here from Red Valley Outdoors. We're just into March. Weather's rubbish again, but it's nothing unusual. None of that matters today, because today is Burger Day. Luke's here, he's up for a feed.
Oh yeah?
Let's get it done. Let's go. Right folks, I've got some ingredients here. So I went to my butcher's and I got some ground beef, and I asked him if he could cut it 50-50 with some ground pork, and he was very obliging, ran that both through the mincer for me, and that's going to add some fat to the beef, which is quite lean, so that means that it's going to be nice and juicy. I've got some red onion, old favourite, I love using this. Some goat's cheese, some nice Emmental cheese, fresh tomatoes, a little bit of salt and pepper, and some lettuce. All the ingredients for a fantastic burger. So all I'm going to do is get this open. I'm not going to be adding anything to these burgers. I'm not going to be chopping it with breadcrumbs or pre-cooked onions or chilies or spices or anything else. Just make a very simple burger. So here we go. Just get some meat. Now apologies if you hear some shotgun noise going off. It is International Pigeon Shooting Day. All the farmers come together and they all try and keep the birds off their land and up in the air, rotating between farms, and try and reduce their pest problem. So apologies about that. There's a farm not too far from here and there's a guy obviously doing exactly that. So, simple burger, that's it. Don't need anything else, doesn't need to be perfect. Just make that into a nice round, just like that. I'm going to make 2 of those. Otherwise Luke will kill me because he's hungry. Just get a big load of meat. Squish it into a ball. Doesn't matter if it's not perfect. Doesn't matter if you've got these like crevices around the side. That's good because all the fat runs down there, and that's all good. That's all good. Just pat those out. Sometimes I'll use a bit of flour if it's particularly sticky meat. Can help you make it into a nice shape, but there's no point today. I really don't care. These are going to be absolutely fantastic, just like this. No seasoning in the meat yet. I want to season it once it's in the pan. That's what the salt and pepper's for. So that's that. 2 burger patties. Good sized, fresh meat. Alright then, mate.
Cheers.
There you go. One woodland burger. What's up?
Cheers, mate.
Oh, it's a good burger.
That's what a Big Mac adverts is supposed to be like, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what you want your burger to look like when you go to a restaurant, you know. Alright.
The rolls are very nice, isn't it?
Well, that was definitely worth doing. Really enjoyed that. Simple burger, onions just softened in all the meat juices, goat's cheese melted through it. That you can't go wrong with that. That was fantastic. So me and Luke have got a few more ingredients to use up. We're going to kick around here, probably make ourselves another burger. I hope you enjoyed what we did here today. And I just wanted to say I've got more plans for the channel. We're going to be putting out some different content. I'm going to be planning some trips for spring and summer months, possibly some canoe trips, some hiking trips, maybe some shooting even. Just going to keep growing and keep doing this stuff. So if you like this, then cheers, hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification button, and goodbye from Red Valley Outdoors.